Hi everyone. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to open an Apple Watch using common tools. So this is completely under your own risk. You need to do because this is not a recommended way to open the case. So always try to approach a Apple authorized service center. If you don't have any other option, uh, you can try this method. So for this method, I'm going to use these tools, razor blade and glue for sticking the glass, and I'm having a heat gun. So my case, I'm having this heat gun. If you're not having, you can use a hair dryer, or even you can try with oven also. So I bought these tools from Amazon for opening this case. So this will help us to open the case. So I repeat, this is not the recommended way, but if you don't have any other option, and if your watch is not under warranty or something, you can approach this method. Okay, we will get started. So I'm having Apple Watch Series 4. So first we will remove the strap. So I have a protection case for so I will remove that. So this glass, or I mean this display is more sensitive part in this Apple Watch. Uh, so you should be very cautious while heating this glass. Don't heat too much, so you may damage the display. So for heating this, I'm going to use the heat gun. So I'm plugging in my heat gun in the socket. So take your own time for heating this. Don't heat too much, as I said earlier. So so keep the Apple Watch in a wood or in a metal table somewhere, because you're going to heat this, so don't burn anything. So I'm having a plywood here, so I'm keeping over there. So I'm going to heat this. There should be at least 10 to 15 centimeter distance between the display and the heat gun, so you can avoid damaging the screen. Okay, let's start. So it will be little heat, it will be little bit heat. So wait for some time. if you having gloves like this, so you can touch that case using that. So in Apple Watch Series 4, you will be having the display cable at the bottom of this watch. See here, this place you will be having the display. So don't cut that display. It will be uh, you won't get a spare for that. It will be uh, you may end up with a lot of money for spending for getting a new display. So take a razor blade and don't leave too much inside that case. So gently put the razor blade at the edge of this display like this. So it may take some time, so be patient. So don't leave too much inside the case, you may damage the hardware. Okay, so I think I have opened this side. It's too hot actually. Be careful, don't cut your fingers. Okay. Take your time. Don't damage the case or the screen. So just cut the edge alone. So if you are able to open one side like this, then you can use this tool. So it won't cut any or damage any your hardware, any of your hardware in your watch. So use this, so it will be easy for you. Actually this gloves is not too much grippy. So as I said earlier, you will have the display cable here from motherboard to display. There will be a connectivity cable here, the downside of this watch. So you should not leave too much inside the watch or you may cut that. So I think we have completed this. So we open the Apple Watch. So we didn't damage anything inside. So for refixing this we can use this glue. So this is the recommended one. It will seal the edges properly, so it won't allow any water inside the watch. So use this for sticking the glass. I'm removing this gloves. So I'm applying this glue. Okay, just press this display gently. Okay, that's it. We have refixed the display. So I have put in another video for how to boost the uh, Apple Watch battery. So for some cases, if your Apple Watch is showing a Apple logo and it's not booting up, it may be a battery issue. If you kept your watch idle for more than 1 or 2 months, it won't charge. So in that purpose, you need not to replace the whole watch. You can open the watch like this, and you can boost your battery. So I will mention that video or link in the description. Please do visit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and give support. Thank you.